So, as promised, I'm going to show you how I put the carb back on, how I put it on and off. Now I'm using, in this case, this is all I've got at the minute. So this silicone or something similar is how I get it on and off. So I spray the rubbers, I put the pipes that are on the back of the carb already on. I offer the carburetor in to the airbox in there. So get that in the airbox there. I'll get my scraper and I get it, always harder on camera. I get the scraper between the boot and the front of the carburetor, and at the minute the back is in the airbox. What I'm going to try and do is push the back of the carb in the airbox, line that up with the rubber, but obviously my scraper is in the way, which is what I want, and I'm going to push that in like that. So that's gone in the back of the airbox. Okay, right, so it's as simple as that. That gets pushed in there, that lines up against the boot in there, get it as lined up as well as you can, and you literally just pull the scraper out and then feed it forward into the notch that's on the rubber. You get your Jubilee clips and you do them up. It's as simple as that. So that's putting a carburetor on in a minute. So 1 minute that's taken me, and that's the method I use every time, and it's the same way to take it off. Right, okay, so I put the engine in. I've done all the nuts and bolts up. Literally every nut and bolt that I think should be done up, apart from obviously the fuel tank. I haven't tried the gears or anything yet to see if it turns. I put oil in it. So my moment of truth to see if there's any, I'm not going to start it, I'm just going to turn it, see if there's any lumping and grinding going on. All good, no noises. Right, just the gears now then. The neutral. First, back to neutral. Second, wheels loose, I use the centre to take the flywheel off. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, yeah. There we go. So I'll get the back wheel bolted up, I'll get the fuel tank on, put a bit of fuel in, and I'll start it up with you watching. Fingers crossed. Okay, so the bike's full up. Sorry, I've got to put 5 litres in it. There's 5 litres of fuel in it. You're going to do the test same time as me. So if it goes pear-shaped, we're doing it together. I'm not going to give it any choke. There's no fuel in there, so choke. Woohoo! exhaust and stuff. Oh, brilliant. Well, next part will be the test ride, and I'll show you that. Fingers crossed that goes okay.